pretty. Look at the winds. We're gonna walk out here.
We have a party.
Crystal Kayak. Need our bubbles!
My name's Kim, and they just got brand new money, so it's just brand new money.
Yeah, we haven't seen this new money, and it was so crisp. I had to fold it to get it in my wallet, but it was totally crisp. And I look how beautiful this new money is.
And then there's dots that stand out.
Is that one of those hawks? I forgot what those are called. Does it say on there? And then look, it's waterproof, isn't it, Jake?
Yeah, well, isn't all these bills
I
waterproof?
think so. And look how cool the watermarks and all of that on there. They're beautiful. I love their money. That's cool.
When we walk out, this guy scares us every time.
This alleyway isn't quite as scary during the daytime. This is the alleyway we took last night to go to the beach. We are beginning our day. We're gonna start by heading down this way to go to lunch. We're gonna go to a Mexican restaurant. Let's do this. Oh boy, look at the wind. Look at the wind. I gotta take off my earrings. It's so windy, but look how beautiful the water is. Even with no sunshine.
It's quite windy on our way to the restaurant. My hair's gorgeous right now.
It's so pretty.
It is.
I'm amazed. So because of the typhoon, there is no water excursions, no ocean excursions happening today, and I think you can tell why. Check out the wind, the waves, and look how windy it is. It's awesome though, it's fun. I don't know if you can tell by the video. You can definitely feel there's more power in the ocean right now. So I don't know. You can definitely tell there is something churning out in the ocean. It's just got a different feel to it.
It is so pretty along here.
Yeah.
All these palm trees are just gorgeous.
Yeah. You can probably hear how windy it is in the microphone of the camera. MuniMuni. Jojo and I are playing Tic Tac Toe while we wait for our food. Okay, I'm gonna put my X down here. Oh, I gotta block you. Oh, you're trying to trick me. Wait a second. Oh, look. Ah! I win!
What you making, Grace? A castle? It's so cute and tiny. Just like you.
Whoa, that is a big tic-tac-toe, Joe. Holy guacamole. Are we doing like tic-tac-4? 4 in a row?
Yeah.
Okay. This will be tricky. I'll do an O down here.
Look at you.
Jojo's almost getting tic-tac-4 in a row. Grace, do a circle. Yeah, right there. Do a circle for us. That's our big circle. And then we're doing another circle. Okay, do a circle right here. Oh, you blocked us. Maybe right there. Yeah. Okay, Joe. You won?
Oh boy, our food just came out. It looks so delicious. Look at that plating of the food. Ben's chicken quesadilla, so good. It's like
like a quesadilla.
Look at that tiny mashed potatoes. Now that's Mexican.
So good. Like a quesadilla.
Oh, look at the tiny mashed potatoes. Incredible, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Nice.
This is awesome.
Yeah. That looks good, Jake. It looks good.
Check out this. This is my beef burrito, and Jake want one too. He's eating it like a madman.
How's your burritos?
Pretty dang good.
And what'd you get, Lily? Chicken tostada? Is it good? Spicy? That's a lot. It's a lot. Jake, looks like you like yours. Is it good? Kind of spicy?
Check this out. It's a cute little mussel rock. I found it, and like the mussels are like opening and closing. It's so cute. Look what we found. It's like a jellyfish. Don't touch it, it'll sting you. Hi. It's pretty cool.
It's windy out here. Going to the Virgin Mary with the floating islands.
Run away into your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away into your escape.
Wow, this is really cool. It's just like right out here. That's so awesome. Oh boy, we're gonna walk out here. Jojo, Jake, and Ben are already up there. What the heck?
Run away into your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away into your escape. Run away.
Done with that spot. Now we are going to Crystal Kayak.
Run away into your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run.
We have a party in here. Very stuffed bus, as you can see.
Run away.
Wow, look how calm it is on this side.
I want my own.
That's so cool. Okay, so this is like the classic Instagram spot with a crystal kayak to take photos. So that's what we're all about. Instagrammable photos.
That's what Dad's all about, is what he's trying to say.
Benny and Jake, we need Jojo to come with you guys. And then Mommy's here.
You can
Mommy.
go snorkeling. Thank you. Yeehaw!
Woohoo! Kayaking
Kayaking in a clear kayak.
in a clear kayak. There's the boys way out there. These are a little wobbly. Oh. Okay, careful, Grace.
Where are you going?
Ah! Go away! Yeah, it's a little murky to see, but you can kind of see out this way. Beautiful seaweed.
Ben, this is fun, huh, Grace? Do you like this? No, this is a daddy one. It's hard to paddle a little bit.
How do I look? Instagrammable. I'm in a crystal kayak. You see this? Crystal kayak. It's see-through. Can you see through? Instagram. Instagram, guys. Cheesy for Instagram. Careful. Don't everyone turn at the same time.
They see a starfish.
Really? The spiky one?
It's over there.
It's right under us. Yeah, there it is. There it is. You see two of them?
Cool starfish.
It's a spiky one. Those starfishes, Gracie and Jojo and I saw those at the Ocean Park in Cebu. You'll recognize those. Here's a link to the video if you want to go watch that one. Grace wants to paddle.
Okay, you take us, Grace. Oh boy.
I'm hearing thunder.
I know.
Lightning.
I feel like we should go in a little bit.
Should we start heading back? Here, let me show you. Down, side, side.
There we go.
Here we go.
Oh, there's another starfish.
Starfish! The wind is pushing us backwards. Gotta paddle a little bit harder.
Tough mama.
Okay, I employed Daddy to get us back. He's the strong guy. The wheel of fortune. Woo, we're going fast now, sister.
Right.
Eat our bubbles! Ah!
Please stop.
Hey! Hey! Ah, don't hit me! Whoa. Careful there. Now we're winning. Now we're winning.
Don't die.
Yeah, Mom and Dad smoked them. We're coming in to shore.
Coming in hot.
Coming in hot. Coming in spicy. We're gonna climb up the tree and take a picture. Oh, Jake's going solo first.
okay like this.
Then he's next. Oh yeah, man. You okay? Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Okay, smile. A real smile. A happy smile, not a scared smile.
Oh, that's just adorable.
I didn't realize how close we are to the beach where we just did our Instagram spots. Like, we're just walking home. And our spot is by this cool little like square lake. These cuties want to go to the pool, huh? Oh, Benny and Jake are already in here? You guys are already in here. Oh, can you touch right there?
You know, I can't touch.
You can't touch? Cool, Joe. Look at you. Hi, Grace. Are you under the bridge? That's cool. Wow, Joe. That's so good. Go. Oh, it just started pouring. I gotta go put my phone away and get a GoPro. All right, I switched the camera. We might have to get out of the pool soon because I hear thunder. So if there's thunder, that means there's lightning. It is coming down. Can you see this? Oh, it knocked this tree over. Put this tree back up. Whoa! Whoa! flooding. Okay, but just like 2 minutes ago, we got a red warning for flooding. So we're just looking at AccuWeather, and yeah, a little bit nervous, but it could also be just fine. So we'll see.